I've got a feeling that I cannot explain. You want something different, but I don't want to change. Slowly but surely, you began to fade. Things were finally changing, and I was not afraid. Now that you're gone, it's like I don't have to pretend. Yeah, it's time to move on. We've reached the bittersweet end.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine, and today's video is all about my shoe collection 2020. And yes, I just wanted to share with you guys a little small collection of shoes that I have with me presently. And I'm really not a big fan of shoes, but yes, I travel a lot, and for traveling purpose I buy shoes now and then. For that I have a little collection of shoes that I just want to share with you guys. So this is an absolute non-sponsored video. I have bought all the shoes with my own money. Do stick yourself with the full video, and yes, I hope you will really enjoy this video. So let's get started. Well, this is the first shoe that I have with me. This is a white sneaker, and I have purchased this from Amazon.in. I'll give each and every product details in the description box below. You can check it out, guys. So you can pair it up with your jeans, or you can pair it up with your capri or shorts. I think this is the perfect shoe for everyday purpose. This shoe really attracted me just because of the golden embellishment that is on the shoe, and it's a laced up shoe. You have to tie up the shoe, so I think it's pretty comfortable. It is absolutely comfortable to wear. Well, I am UK 38, that is Indian 5, so my foot length is 5. The inner quality of this shoe is pretty soft like cotton. It will not feel that hard kind of thing going on under your feet. The brand is Denil. Well, this is a random brand that I have just picked up. So this is not a high-end brand, guys. This is absolutely an affordable, pocket-friendly brand, and the review of this shoe was pretty good, so I just picked up for myself. And this is priced at rupees 500, guys, and I think it is pretty cheap and pretty affordable in your pocket. So yes, with an affordable price you are getting such a good quality shoe is a great thing. Well, the material of this shoe is synthetic leather, and I think this also looks pretty good. I have been wearing this shoe since past 2 years, and I did not find any sort of problem in this shoe. The next shoe that I have with me is also a sneaker, and I have already said you that I am just a sucker for sneakers because it is so comfortable on my feet. So yes, I just love sneakers. So next shoe is a black sneaker. So this shoe is also just like the white sneaker that I have showed you previously, and we have to tie up the lace. So yes, and this is also pretty comfortable on my feet. I can run, I can walk with this shoes, and yes, they are absolutely soft from inside. And the brand, this is also a random brand that I have picked up from Amazon.in. The name of the brand is Pashimo, and I'm in the size 38. Well, the material of the shoe is synthetic leather, and I don't think so it will create any problem in wearing synthetic leather shoe. Around 500 rupees you are getting this kind of sneakers, which is really high ankle length, and it's pretty comfortable on your feet. I have been wearing this shoe since past 2 years, and I did not find any kind of problem in this shoe. The next one is also a sneaker. So this one I have purchased from Pantaloons, and yes, I pretty love this shoe because the color, the minty green color and the white color, the collaboration of both of this color really attracted me so much. Plus this is also a tie-up shoe, and this is also a pretty comfortable and soft sneaker. You can just walk, you can just run with this shoe, and it's a everyday sort of shoe. And inside quality is also pretty soft. This is a Pantaloons brand, and the Pantaloons brand is called Forever Glam. So they have some tremendous pretty shoes from Forever Glam. I pretty love the range of shoes from Forever Glam, and I'm in the size 36. Well, my Indian footwear size is 5, and in this range 36 comes to be 22.8 3, but in this particular brand the shoe really had a good fit in number 36, so I picked up 36 for me. I think this is also pretty cool sneaker. The next shoe that I have is my recent purchase, and yes, this is a loafer. I really love loafers because they are so comfortable and they are flat. They will not ache your heels. That's the main thing. And the brand is Carlton London, and I have purchased this from Amazon.in. It was absolutely in discount. First of all, it came around for 1450. Quality is super good. The material of this shoe is just so soft and so embossed, plus the embellishment and the detailing going on. I really love the detailing because it is absolutely perfect for festive season and any kind of parties or celebrations. So I just picked up a golden shoe for myself. I have black and whites, but I never had a golden shoe, so yes, this time for festive season I have just purchased this from Amazon.in. They are super comfy, plus they are absolutely affordable, I think so, because Carlton London, actually the price range is really high guys, but I got in discount for 1450 and it was absolute deal. This shoe is also from Pantaloons Forever Glam, and yes, I am in the size 36. I really love this kind of pointed ballet shoes because they look perfect with any kind of short dresses or long dresses, and they are also soft, plus they are flat. Your heels are not going to ache, and I think the color is also pretty good. You can already see I am wearing red, and the blue color is going so good with the red color dress. I would suggest you to wear this pair with any kind of bright color dresses. I think that will look really pretty. Well, this is also an affordable pair. It just priced at rupees 499, and the other sneaker that I have showed you from Pantaloons was also priced at rupees 500. The next shoe that I am going to show you, also a ballet shoe, and this is also from Pantaloons. I think this is a type of formal kind of shoe. It gives a formal look. You can wear it with any kind of formal outfit. I think it will look perfect with formal outfit. They are beige color, and I think beige color goes with any kind of dresses, any colored dresses. They are absolutely flat, no heels. And yes, those of you really love flat shoes, this is absolutely a comfy for your feet. Guys, this is also priced at rupees 499. It is pretty cheap and affordable in your pocket, plus the quality is super good. The next shoe is again a ballet shoe. It is a chocolate, deep chocolate color ballet shoe with the golden chain detailing going on. I really love the golden chain detailing guys. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and you can wear with any kind of short dresses or long dresses. It goes hand in hand with short dresses or long dresses, and I am in the size 37. This shoe I purchased for rupees 499. It is also affordable and pocket friendly. I am in the size 37 because 36 was already sold, so yes, I had to buy one size bigger. So never mind, it just fitted me a little bit loose. That's okay, I just managed it. The material of this shoe is a sweat proof material, that is a velvet kind of material, and I think this shoe is absolutely comfortable in summer season, so yes, I just picked up. Well, the next shoe that I have with me is perfect for any kind of ethnic wear or any kind of traditional dress. So yes, this is it. I just love this shoe because they are super comfortable. As you can see, they have a wedge heel and the heel height is really short, so it's not going to ache your heel, and it's pretty comfortable to wear, plus you can go miles wearing this. The material, the quality and the texture of this shoe is just fabulous because I have purchased this from Myntra.in. Well, the brand is Anok, and Anok have some pretty dresses, ethnic wear, traditional wear, as well as they have pretty ethnic shoes, traditional shoes. I really love this brand Anok. They have some amazing traditional ethnic detailing going on. Well, I purchased this shoe for 1200 or 1400 rupees. I really don't remember now. I'm going to link every product details in the description box below, guys. Just look at the strap, guys. It is so ethnic and so traditional. You can just pair it up with any ethnic or traditional dresses. It will look absolute gorgeous. Plus the strap of the shoe is so soft, and the quality of the strap is just so smooth and so soft. So I really love this kind of strap which gives that ethnic and traditional look. This shoe is also a recent purchase from Myntra.in, and this is from Roadstar. Roadstar have some amazing jeans and dresses and t-shirts, and they are one of the most famous brand in Myntra.in, and I really love the products from Roadstar. They are so elegant and they are absolutely gorgeous. Like I am in the size 36, golden rivet detailing on the strap. They also have a thin strap here where you can just close your shoe from behind so that it can give you more security. I really did not have a tiptoe covered flat shoe like this, so yes, I thought this is a good purchase for me. And this was also priced at rupees 1400, and I pretty love this shoe. This color also goes with any kind of outfit. I think I'm going to pair it up, this baby, with a blue jeans maybe and a white t-shirt. The next shoe that I'm going to show you is so beautiful and so sexy, but you know, it's not meant for me actually. So you can understand the heel height is 7.5 inch. The day I have purchased this shoe, I just wore this shoe for 2 to 3 days because it just made my feet swollen and it just made my feet so achy. I don't know guys, I'm really not comfortable with high heels, but this was just a temptation. Out of temptation, I just bought this from Flipkart and just wore it for 2 to 3 days. Like, sad story of my life. But the color of this pump stiletto is absolute hot and sexy. Well, it's absolute grey in color. I'm not going to say anything more about this shoe because I have worn this shoe only for 2 to 3 days, and the brand is Cupid. Well, the price, I really don't remember the price guys. I really love to keep this kind of shoe, at least one in my shoe closet, so that's it. I just bought for that because I have enough of sneakers and flats and wedges, but no pump stilettos like this, so just bought out of temptation, that's all. Next shoe that I have with me is absolutely a marriage purpose or a party purpose shoe. So yes, this is the shoe, and this is also a wedge heeled shoe, and the detailings here you can already understand that it's not a daily wear purpose shoe. I have also purchased this particular shoe from Flipkart.in, and it's been 4 to 5 years back. I really don't remember the price, but if I find it out, I'm going to link it down. This brand is a random brand and it is from Velvet, and it's really a well worth because I wore this shoe several times in lot of marriage parties and they look absolutely gorgeous on my feet. Last but not the least, I'm going to show you one of the most cutest flat that I have among all of these shoes, and yes, this is the shoe. And yes, this is a Rajasthani shoe, and this was gifted by my mom when she went to Rajasthan. She just picked up this flat for me because she knows that I am really freaking lover for flats and wedges. So yes, this shoe is perfect for any kind of ethnic outfit. I freaking love these ethnic flats because they have pom-pom detailings first of all, and the multicolored strap here gives that absolute prettiness to it. So yes, I pretty love this shoe, and I think this was priced at rupees 200 or 300 rupees. I already wear this shoe almost every day because it is so comfy and it's a everyday purpose wearable shoe. So guys, this is the end of my shoe collection video, and I hope you really enjoyed this shoe collection video. And not much shoe collection, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I have with me currently. So that's it, and if you really liked my video, then please give me some thumbs up and comment down below. Share my videos with your friends and family, that means a lot to me. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and those of you are new to my channel, hi guys, I'm Shreya Adhikari and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle, and you are going to enjoy my videos. So yes, do hit that bell icon also to be updated with all of my upcoming videos. And thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and stay tuned with my next video. Well, the next video will be also an interesting video for you guys. Well, just hold on the suspense. I'm not going to reveal it just now. Well, that's all for today. We'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.
You began to fade.